Welcome back, guys. Let's discuss Bitcoin. Wow, notice we in a crypto year. This year is getting so good for crypto traders. Make sure you watch the video to the end to have better understanding. So guys, Bitcoin might reach $700,000 if this happens, according to Adam Back. Adam Back suggests Bitcoin could surpass the $700 mark if it captures gold's market cap in a recent post. Blockstream CEO Adam Back, a prominent figure in the cryptocurrency world, predicted that Bitcoin could potentially surpass the $700 zero mark if it manages to capture the market capitalization of gold, which currently stands at approximately $13.05 trillion. Back's comment was in response to observations that Bitcoin is not only attracting significant investment flows, but is also leading to a decline in gold investments. If Bitcoin continues to draw funds away from gold, causing both assets to meet in the middle in terms of value, such a scenario could significantly elevate Bitcoin's price. If you, a Bitcoin lover, drop Bitcoin to the moon in the comment section. This comes amid a backdrop of increasing interest in Bitcoin ETFs, which have been rapidly outperforming their gold counterparts in terms of investment flows. The conversation around Bitcoin's potential to eclipse gold has been fueled by the remarkable performance of Bitcoin ETFs. Recent data shows that the net cumulative flows for the top 10 Bitcoin ETFs, including notable ones like GBTC, have doubled in the past 3 days, reaching over $3 billion. This growth rate is starkly contrasted with the nearly 2 years it took for gold ETFs to achieve a similar milestone. Eric Balchunas of Bloomberg recently called attention to this trend, noting a seismic shift in investment preferences from traditional precious metals to digital currencies. Bitcoin ETFs like IBIT and FBTC are gaining traction among investors, ranking impressively among the top ETFs for year-to-date flows, a sign of widening support for cryptocurrency as an investment vehicle. Bitcoin to become the largest ETF commodity. Back has previously predicted that Bitcoin ETFs will soon outshine gold ETFs, becoming the top commodity ETF. Yes, with Bitcoin ETFs already surpassing the $27.05 billion mark, overtaking silver ETFs, and approaching the $90 billion held by gold ETFs, the digital currency is on a clear path to rewriting the investment landscape. The launch of Bitcoin ETFs marked a significant shift, similar to the introduction of gold and silver ETFs in the early 2000s, by providing easier access to commodities without the need for physical handling. Is the rate of Bitcoin bets ready for correction? The opinions expressed by our writers are their own and do not represent the views of You Today. And the financial and market information provided on You Today is intended for informational purposes only. You Today is not liable for any financial losses incurred while trading cryptocurrencies. Conduct your research by contacting financial experts before making any investment decisions. We believe that all content is accurate as of the date of publication, but certain offers mentioned may no longer be available. The price of Bitcoin has risen by 4 over the last 24 hours. On the hourly chart, the rate of BTC LI is looking bearish as it is approaching the support level of $49,763. If the daily bar closes near that mark, the accumulated energy might be enough for a drop to the $49,500. A similar picture can be seen in the bigger time frame. The price of BTC has made a false breakout of yesterday's bar's peak. If buyers cannot seize the initiative shortly, traders may expect a test of the support level of $49,048 soon. From the midterm point of view, one should pay attention to the weekly candle's closure. If it happens above the interim level of $49,048, growth may continue to $50,000 and above. Key reasons why Bitcoin price is pumping today. Bitcoin price rallies amid whopping $600 inflow into Bitcoin ETFs in a swift recovery from its brief descent below the $50,000 threshold. Bitcoin PAS once again made headlines, surpassing this key level to trade at $51,186. This current price represents a notable 2.19 increase in the last 24 hours and an even more significant surge of 19.23 over the past week. The resurgence of Bitcoin above the $50 mark has sparked interest and speculation among investors and analysts, pointing toward a confluence of factors fueling this bullish momentum. A pivotal element in the recent price pump is the considerable net inflows into Bitcoin spot exchange traded funds at TFSF. Crypto analyst Michael Van de Poppe shared insights that Tuesday witnessed an extraordinary influx of more than $600 into Bitcoin ETFs. This development is a clear indicator of growing investor confidence and is widely interpreted as the harbinger of a new bull cycle in the cryptocurrency domain. The infusion of substantial capital into Bitcoin through ETFs underscores the increasing institutional interest and is perceived as a fundamental driver of the current price dynamics. This resurgence not only points to the inherent volatility and resilience of the cryptocurrency market, but also reflects a deeper integration and acceptance of digital assets within the broader financial ecosystem. Tom Lee names key reason behind Bitcoin price rally: market dynamics and altcoin performance, in addition to ETF inflows. Market reactions to external economic indicators have also played a crucial role in Bitcoin's rally. Following a recent CPAB report, which initially led to a downturn, Bitcoin's price managed to climb back, breaching the $50 barrier again. This resilience in the face of potential market panic highlights the strategic positioning of cryptocurrency traders. Analytical firm Sentiment commented on the situation, noting the recovery and emphasizing the performance of the selected altcoins. Projects like VET, TAIO, and STSX have demonstrated notable gains, suggesting a broader trend of diversification in the crypto market. This decoupling of Bitcoin from other cryptocurrencies and the distinct performance of certain altcoins illustrate the nuanced and multifaceted nature of the current market environment. The convergence of significant ETF inflows and adaptive trading strategies in response to economic reports signals a robust outlook for Bitcoin's price. The cryptocurrency market is witnessing a remarkable shift as Bitcoin surpasses the $50,000 threshold, with search interest showing a divergent pattern. This occurrence signals a potential new era for the cryptocurrency's market dynamics, where the asset's financial performance is not directly correlated with public interest measured by Google searches. Analysts, including Yassine El-Mandrey of ARK Invest, see this as an indication of the market's maturation, suggesting a shift towards institutional investment and utility-driven adoption over retail speculation. Tom Lee's astonishing price prediction. Tom Lee, a prominent figure in the cryptocurrency world, has pinpointed the introduction of Bitcoin exchange-traded funds as a pivotal factor propelling the price of Bitcoin upwards. This development, making Bitcoin accessible through traditional brokerage accounts, marks a significant milestone in the digital currency's journey toward mainstream acceptance. Lee highlighted the importance of this advancement, stating, "I think it is a wonderful development because it is allowing people to have exposure without having to necessarily store their private keys." And I think it was great to see that subtle reference at the Super Bowl, referring to an incident where Twitter founder Jack Dorsey was seen wearing a Satoshi shirt, drawing public attention to Bitcoin during one of the most watched events of the year. A new era